The historic Balboa Park self-metering ramp. As you can see here, there's a bunch of cars going slow. That's because they're all merging from 3 lanes into 1. Now, the closest, I guess 4 lanes into 1. Closest 2 lanes, those are coming off of Park Boulevard up and to our left. The other 2 lanes are coming off of I-5? Yeah, coming off of I-5. Pretty sure I got that right. What ends up happening is they all come to this point here. At that point, they end up being 1 lane. Now, you might say, oh my God, it makes traffic so horrible. However, it makes it so the 163 works better. SR 163 would, if all 4 of these lanes dumped into those 2 lanes over there, San Diego, pause. If they dumped into those 2 lanes, 163 would totally break. So what would be down there is a traffic meter, a stoplight, that would make those people do exactly this. However, right here, self-metering ramp. Thank you, 1930s internet, freeway technology.